The untold truth about becoming a successful entrepreneur in today's world. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to start businesses effortlessly, grow them fast, and achieve massive success, while others struggle for years, lose money, and almost give up before they even see results? Have you noticed how some ordinary people, with no special advantages, suddenly rise to become successful entrepreneurs, while so many talented, hardworking people fail? What if I told you that the secret to entrepreneurship today isn't about luck, fancy degrees, or having the perfect product, but about understanding a few critical truths that most people completely ignore? The first truth is this: clarity of purpose beats everything else. You cannot build a lasting, successful business without knowing why you're doing it. Many people chase entrepreneurship for money, freedom, or status, and those are nice outcomes, but they're not enough to sustain effort through setbacks. You need to ask yourself, why do I want to start this business? What problem am I solving? How will I improve someone's life? Your purpose becomes your anchor, guiding your decisions, motivating you during tough times, and keeping you focused when distractions appear. Without this, even the best business idea will fail because the entrepreneur gives up too soon. Before we begin, please, I would appreciate it if you like this video. You can help me continue to spread the age-old lesson. If you haven't subscribed yet, I recommend you subscribe and turn on the bell notification so I can be motivated to make another video as quick as possible, and you don't miss any of my videos this week. If you like this video, please kindly comment yes. If you don't like it, comment no to let me know so I can make another better video for you this week. Now, let's get started. Next, you must understand yourself fully. Before investing time, money, or energy, look at your own skills, strengths, weaknesses, and experience. What can you do well? Where do you need help or additional learning? Many beginners fail because they overestimate what they can handle and underestimate what they can't. I had to take a long, honest look at my capabilities before starting, and this saved me from making costly mistakes. Knowing your strengths allows you to leverage them fully, and recognizing weaknesses gives you the chance to prepare, learn, or delegate. Self-awareness is the foundation for smart decision-making. Market research is another step that can't be skipped. Before you launch any product or service, you need to understand your customers and the market environment. Who are your potential clients? What are their problems, needs, or desires? How are other businesses currently addressing these problems, and how can you do it differently or better? Many beginners assume they already know what the market wants, and that assumption is often wrong. I spent weeks observing trends, talking to potential customers, and studying competitors. That research allowed me to avoid building products nobody needed and to identify opportunities others were missing. Market research gives you a clear path and reduces the chances of failure drastically. After understanding the market, the next step is planning. Many people think entrepreneurship is all about taking action, launching products, hustling, and learning as you go. Action is essential, but action without a plan is chaos. I created a roadmap that detailed what I would sell, who my audience was, how I would reach them, and what resources I needed. My plan didn't have to be perfect, but it gave me structure, direction, and a way to measure progress. Planning before acting prevents wasted time and wasted money. Equally important is developing the right mindset. Entrepreneurship today is not easy. Fear, doubt, and uncertainty are natural, but they must not control your decisions. I had to cultivate resilience, patience, and confidence to move forward despite setbacks. Many people fail before they even start because fear stops them or they overthink every decision. A strong entrepreneurial mindset allows you to see challenges as opportunities, learn quickly from mistakes, and persist even when things get tough. Validating your business idea is a critical step many beginners skip. I didn't spend months building a product nobody wanted. Instead, I created a small version, offered it to a few customers, gathered feedback, and improved it. Validation saves time, money, and frustration because it helps you know early whether your idea is viable. Every successful entrepreneur I know tests their idea before scaling it. Testing prevents wasted effort and ensures your business addresses real customer needs. Financial preparation is another crucial step. You need to understand how much you can safely invest, track your expenses, and plan for emergencies. Many beginners fail because they neglect financial planning, and the first unexpected cost causes panic. By managing money carefully, I avoided stress, stayed focused, and built a business that could grow steadily without putting my personal life at risk. Financial discipline is as important as marketing or product development. Building a support system was another key factor. Mentors, peers, and experienced entrepreneurs guided me, answered questions, and kept me accountable. Learning from people who have already succeeded accelerates your growth and helps you avoid costly mistakes. No entrepreneur succeeds completely alone. Support systems provide wisdom, motivation, and perspective that you can't get by working in isolation. If you're still watching this video and finding these insights valuable, please comment yes below to let me know you're here. Please, if you haven't subscribed yet, I recommend you subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any of our videos. Your support by promoting this video, subscribe, likes, and share helps us motivated and continue creating good content to inform and inspire you every week. Now, let's move forward. Skill development also cannot be ignored. I identified the skills critical to my business: marketing, sales, communication, leadership, and financial management, and worked on them before fully launching. Developing these skills early gives you confidence, reduces mistakes, and enables you to handle challenges effectively. Many beginners fail simply because they underestimate the need to invest in themselves first. Setting clear goals is essential. Rather than focusing only on long-term success, I broke my vision into achievable steps. I aim to acquire my first 50 customers, make my first 100 sales, and reach my first profitable month. These small wins build momentum, teach practical lessons, and create confidence. Goal setting provides clarity on the steps needed daily, weekly, and monthly, making progress measurable and intentional. Legal and administrative preparation is another step often overlooked. I ensured my business was properly registered, understood necessary licenses, taxes, and compliance requirements. Ignoring these aspects can lead to fines, delays, or operational issues. Taking care of the legal side from the start allowed me to focus entirely on growing the business, operating with peace of mind and confidence. Branding and positioning were also critical. I defined how I wanted my business to be perceived, what made it unique, and how to communicate value to customers. Branding isn't just a logo, it's a promise. A strong brand builds trust, loyalty, and recognition, attracting customers without spending heavily on advertising. Positioning yourself correctly allows you to stand out in a crowded market. Planning your marketing strategy before launching is essential. I mapped out which channels would reach my audience effectively, tested small campaigns, measured results, and scaled what worked. Marketing without a strategy wastes both time and money. By planning ahead, I attracted customers quickly and consistently. Resilience is a quality you cannot ignore. Setbacks, mistakes, and slow periods are inevitable. What separates successful entrepreneurs from the rest is how they respond. I learned to treat every challenge as a lesson, adapt, and move forward. Resilient entrepreneurs see obstacles as opportunities and maintain momentum even in tough times. Consistency is the secret ingredient. Showing up daily, taking small actions, and improving constantly creates momentum and growth. Success is rarely a result of a single effort. It's the product of repeated, focused actions over time. Ordinary people become extraordinary entrepreneurs because they commit to consistent effort, even when results seem slow or uncertain. Technology plays a huge role in modern entrepreneurship. I leveraged social media, automation tools, and online platforms to reach more people, reduce costs, and scale quickly. Technology allows smaller businesses to compete with larger competitors and accelerates growth exponentially. Patience is another non-negotiable trait. Real, sustainable growth does not happen overnight. I celebrated small wins, learned from mistakes, and continuously improved. Impatience often leads to poor decisions and early quitting. Patience builds sustainable success. Most importantly, action beats perfection. Waiting for the perfect product, plan, or moment delays results. I learned that starting, testing, and adjusting along the way creates experience, which produces results faster than waiting. Entrepreneurship rewards those who act, learn, and iterate. If you want a full, step-by-step roadmap to build a successful business today, my course, How to Become a Successful Entrepreneur Today Without Any Failure, gives you everything. You'll discover the mindset, strategies, and actions I use to start smart, grow fast, and avoid costly mistakes. Click the link in the description below to access the course and start your journey today. The untold truth about entrepreneurship today is simple. It's not about luck, money, or connections. It's about preparation, strategy, mindset, skills, and persistence. Ordinary people succeed because they follow proven steps, take action, and adapt continuously. Ordinary people fail because they rush in without understanding the real requirements of entrepreneurship. Before starting your business, take the time to clarify your purpose, understand yourself, research your market, plan your actions, develop the right mindset, validate your idea, prepare financially, build a support network, develop skills, set achievable goals, handle legal requirements, position your brand, plan marketing, and cultivate resilience and consistency. Following these steps dramatically improves your chances of success and reduces the risk of failure. Click the link in the description below to access my course, How to Become a Successful Entrepreneur Today Without Any Failure, and discover the exact roadmap to build a profitable business from scratch. You'll learn how to attract clients, manage money, scale efficiently, and avoid mistakes that waste time and resources. Your journey starts today. Ordinary beginnings can lead to extraordinary outcomes when you act with purpose, preparation, and persistence. Don't wait another day. Click the link, access the course, and start building your profitable, successful business today. The difference between struggling endlessly and thriving as an entrepreneur is preparation. Ordinary people succeed because they follow proven steps, learn from mistakes early, act strategically, and remain consistent. Today is your opportunity to take the first step toward success. Click the link, access the course, and discover the untold truth about becoming a successful entrepreneur in today's world. Your story of success starts with action, planning, and persistence. Ordinary people become extraordinary entrepreneurs when they follow the right roadmap. Take the first step now. Click the link and start your journey today. Please drop a comment below this video with one thing you've taken away from this and how you plan to put it into practice in your life. Your story might just inspire someone else. If you like this video, please leave your comment below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Expect our next video this week. Take care of yourself. You're more resilient than you know. Thanks for watching.